Hello everyone, welcome back to Motor Maze, your go-to channel for fresh auto news and in-depth car reviews. Today we're diving deep into every little detail about the 2026 Ford Bronco. Its styling inside and out, performance, tech, pricing, and everything in between. The 2026 Bronco brings a bold refresh while staying true to its rugged roots. On the exterior, Ford has kept its boxy off-road silhouette but added sharper touches. The front gets a broader grille with full-width LED lighting and illuminated Bronco lettering, giving it more presence. Fender flares are wider now, built to accommodate optional 35-inch tires without looking awkward. Skid plates are beefed up underneath for tougher terrain. Roof panels, especially the hardtop option, are lighter and easier to remove, with stronger crossmembers to maintain structural rigidity. There are new wheel designs in 17 and 18 inches, some beadlock capable for hardcore off-road use. Cameras and trail lighting are better integrated now, with rock lights and auxiliary lamps for tricky trails. Inside, the cabin is a blend of rugged utility and modern convenience. You'll see a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen standard, paired with a 12-inch digital gauge cluster up front. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as part of the package. Ford's new Sync 5 system is fitted, which offers faster responsiveness, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Materials are tougher yet more refined. Ebony leather for seat outers, alpine leather inserts, marine-grade vinyl armrests, and stitching details in contrast hues. The 60th Anniversary Edition adds embossing on seatbacks, themed badging, and special accents. Storage is modular. There's a refined gear tunnel, better layout of off-road controls, like sway bar disconnect, locker switches, now easier to reach, and improved sound insulation to cut down wind noise at speed. Legroom is competitive. In the four-door model, you get around 43.1 inches front, 36.3 rear. Cargo space is about 38.3 QFT with seats up and 83 QFT with seats folded. Under the hood, familiar engine choices return but are tweaked to feel sharper. The base is still a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4, rated at about 275 HP and 300 lb-ft on regular fuel, or up to 300 HP and 325 lb-ft on high-octane gas. That engine can be paired with either a 7-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. 0-60 times run between 7.3 and 7.9 seconds depending on configuration. For more punch, there's a twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6 that puts out about 315 HP and 410 lb-ft, or 330 HP or 415 lb-ft on premium gas. That one comes only with the 10-speed auto. Acceleration dips into the 6.6 to 8.4 second range depending on trim and setup. Fuel economy is modest. The 2.3L yields roughly 1620 mpg city and 1721 mpg highway depending on spec. The 2.7L is in the ballpark of 1718 city, 1720 highway. Off-road capability is fully dialed in. All Bronco models come standard with 4WD and a 2-speed transfer case. The Sasquatch package, which is required on the 60th Anniversary Edition, adds high-clearance suspension, electronic locking differentials front and rear, more aggressive final drive, and 35-inch Goodyear all-terrain tires. The Bronco Raptor takes things further. It has a more aggressive chassis, Fox Live valve internal bypass shocks, a Dana 50 heavy-duty rear axle, forged front control arms, skid plates, and massive 37-inch all-terrain tires. Its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 produces around 418 HP and 420 lb-ft. 0-60 takes about 6.8 seconds. Fuel economy falls to about 15 city, 16 highway. On safety and driver aids, the standard Bronco includes Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite, automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, trailer sway control, and more. Optional features on higher trims include lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and front rear parking sensors. Trail modes include rock crawl, Baja, mud, sand, and Ford improved trail turn assist and terrain mapping aids. So what about pricing? Ford hasn't confirmed full pricing for every trim yet, but indications suggest the 2026 Bronco will start in a similar ballpark as the outgoing model. Entry versions may begin around $42,000 in the US. The Raptor model is expected to command a much higher premium, possibly just under $100,000. Pricing of the 60th Anniversary Edition is not fully announced yet, but Ford will likely release numbers close to its launch window in October. Trim levels offered include Base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, Badlands, and Raptor. The 60th Anniversary Edition is being offered on Outer Banks 4-door variants with Sasquatch standard. In day-to-day use, the Bronco still has its trade-offs. On pavement, it can feel coarse. Wind noise is noticeable at higher speeds, and handling is less nimble than crossover rivals. But when the trail gets rough, that's where the Bronco shines. It remains among the most capable factory off-road SUVs you can get. The 60th Anniversary Edition brings aesthetic upgrades and premium touches without altering core capability, while the Raptor is for those who want maximum performance right out of the box. If you're buying for daily use with weekend off-roading, one of the mid-variants like Badlands with Sasquatch might hit a balance. So that's the full picture of the 2026 Ford Bronco as we know it now. Its styling evolution, interior upgrades, engines, off-road gear, tech, safety, and pricing direction. Keep in mind, some specs might fine-tune before full launch. If you like, I can also make a comparison between 2026 Bronco and its rivals, or explore whether a hybrid or electric variant is in the works. Let me know what more you want.